Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and today it is a requested video, a highly requested video. I recently posted this hairstyle on the YouTube community as well as my Instagram. An overwhelming amount of requests for a tutorial had come in. So while my hair is not as curly as it was when I initially did it, it is still straight enough for me to recreate the look. So before I shampoo and change my hair up, I'm gonna go ahead and do this for you guys. So I really hope you enjoy this. Let me know how your braid turns out in the comment section down below, and let's get started. So as you can see, I do a very deep side part and I put a small part in the back, almost as if I'm giving myself a heavy swoop bang. To be completely honest, the parting really doesn't matter, because if you don't want to part, you can literally just flip your hair over and start to braid. Okay, so this part does matter. So you're going to take a section in the back that's going to give you a lot of hair to braid and angle it where it's coming to a smaller portion in the front. This is going to allow you to have a chunkier braid starting out than if you were to just take a small portion of hair and begin to braid. And when you begin this braid, you're going to braid it almost as though you're starting a plait. You're going to braid it 3 times, and then you're going to start picking up hair to create your cornrow closer to your hair line. Here my hair started to get a little tangled, but as you can see, I do, slow down long enough to detangle my hair with my fingers and then keep it moving. Again, keep corn rolling at your hair line all the way to the back. Once you reach a certain part of your hair where you prefer for the rest to be hanging out, go ahead and grab whatever tie you like to use. I'm just going to use this small little rubber band and tie your hair off. Okay, so now here's for the fun part. You do have to start adjusting your braid and pulling the loops to your desired liking. Now, this is where it's going to pay off, where you started the braid off and doing it almost like a plait, because that allows you to pull out a little bit more hair to frame your face. Now, I'm not going to do it as much as I did in the picture, because I actually want to wear this for like a day or two, and in the picture it was super loose. So again, you just pull at the little braid loops to your desired look. When you are pulling at your braid loops, be super careful, because it's easy to break your hair when you're doing this. It's easy to snap your hair. So be very gentle when doing this. And make sure your hair is moisturized. It will give it some give. All right, now here's for the side you didn't get to see. I'm going to use Kim Kimball's Edge Pomade as my edge tamer today. Now, to me, this step is not necessary. If you do not want to mess with your edges, do not mess with your edges, because this type of hairstyle does lend itself to more of an effortless, messy, elegant type of look. So it is not necessary to mess with your edges, but I just want to show you guys what I did for that photo, and this is the side that you didn't get to see. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to put a hairpin in this side because I want it to lay a little bit more flush, and I kind of like that better. Again, if I were to pull at these loops a little bit more, it would give the same effect that the picture had. But again, I do want to wear this for a couple days and be able to sleep in it without it fully falling out. So I'm not going to pull at it anymore. So I'm going to move on to a detail that most people probably missed, and that is covering the rubber band. So I wanted to take the time to slow this down a bit. So what I did was take the longest portion of the hair that was left out, looped it around the rubber band, and then pulled the hair through itself. So there is no additional rubber bands or anything on my hair. I've done this numerous times and it never comes out. So there you have it. All right, you guys, as you can see, it is really that quick, that simple. I actually think I responded to someone and I said, girl, flip your hair over and braid that joint. If you needed to find a go-to hairstyle, this is a good one because it is appropriate for so many different settings, special occasions, a work environment, just anything. You can really pull this off. If you don't like this piece hanging, you can always just wrap it around and pin it like that. And I say that because my mom is in the nursing field. I have a medical assistant background as well, and you cannot have your hair hanging down. So you can always just pin it up in a little bun if you prefer. So it's a really cute, quick hairstyle, and you know I love me some quick and cute, girl. So until the next time, be love.